What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you are in the market for a brand new, high-performance, pre-built gaming PC this year, you have come to the exact right place. Today, we are taking a deep dive into an absolute powerhouse that has been making massive waves in the gaming community. I am talking about the brand new 2026 model of the ZOTAC MEK gaming PC desktop. This specific model, the Mecha 5062A9700XBR, is packing some of the most cutting-edge, next-generation hardware we have ever seen in a pre-built system. We are talking about the brand new NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 Ti, equipped with a massive 16 gigabytes of ultra-fast GDDR7 memory, paired up with the absolute beast of a processor, the AMD Ryzen 7 9700X. If you want to check the current pricing, see if it is on sale, or pick one up for yourself after the video, I have dropped a direct Amazon link right at the top of the description below. Clicking that link helps support the channel, and it ensures you're getting the best current deal available. Alright, let's get into the review, starting with the brains of this operation. At the heart of the ZOTAC MEK gaming PC is the AMD Ryzen 7 9700X processor, built on the AM5 socket. This processor is an absolute monster for both gaming and productivity. It features a base clock speed of 3.8 GHz, but when you push this system to its limits, it dynamically boosts all the way up to a blistering 5.4 to 5.5 GHz. What does that mean for you? It means zero bottlenecks. Whether you're playing CPU-heavy simulation games, streaming your gameplay to Twitch or YouTube in high definition, or editing 4K video footage, this processor cuts through heavy workloads like a hot knife through butter. The single-core performance is off the charts, which directly translates to incredibly high frame rates in competitive esports titles like Valorant, Counter-Strike 2, and Apex Legends. But of course, the real star of the show for any gaming PC is the graphics card. ZOTAC has equipped this system with their own custom-cooled ZOTAC Gaming RTX 5060 Ti. And let me tell you, this is not your average mid-range card. This specific model comes with 16 gigabytes of the newly introduced GDDR7 VRAM. For years, gamers have been begging for more VRAM to handle modern, unoptimized PC ports and ultra-high-resolution textures. With 16 gigs of GDDR7, you are incredibly future-proofed. You can crank up the texture settings to ultra in games like Cyberpunk, Alan Wake, or whatever next-gen title you're playing without worrying about stuttering or texture pop-in. This RTX 5060 Ti is built on the PCIe Express interface and supports all the latest NVIDIA features, including advanced ray tracing and the newest generation of DLSS frame generation. Out of the box, this PC is specifically designed to dominate 1440p gaming at ultra settings with high refresh rates. But thanks to that 16 gigs of VRAM and DLSS, it's actually fully 4K ready at 120 Hz and can even output up to 8K resolution at 60 Hz for incredibly high-end creative workflows. The back of the graphics card features one HDMI 2.1 port and three DisplayPort 1.4a outputs, making it quad display ready right out of the box. Now, feeding the CPU and GPU is the system memory. Pre-built companies are famous for cheaping out on RAM, but ZOTAC did not cut any corners here. You're getting 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RGB memory, clocked at a blazing fast 6,000 MHz. 32 gigs is the new sweet spot for modern gaming and multitasking. You can have your game running on one monitor, Discord, OBS, and 20 Google Chrome tabs on the other, and your system won't even break a sweat. Plus, the DDR5 platform on the AM5 socket means you have amazing upgradability. The motherboard supports a maximum size of up to 128 gigabytes of RAM, so if you ever get into heavy 3D rendering or professional video editing years down the line, you have plenty of room to expand. For storage, the ZOTAC MEK includes a 1TB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe solid-state drive. If you're coming from an older hard drive or even a standard SATA SSD, the speed of this NVMe drive will blow your mind. Windows 11 Home comes pre-installed on this drive, and the operating system boots up in literally seconds. Your game load times are practically eliminated. A 1 TB drive gives you plenty of space for your operating system, your core applications, and a large library of modern AAA games. Let's talk about the design and cooling, because high-end components generate heat, and thermal throttling can ruin your gaming experience. The ZOTAC MEK comes in a sleek, modern black computer tower that measures about 14.37 inches long, 8.35 inches wide, and 19.09 inches tall. It weighs in at a sturdy 24.6 pounds, which is a testament to the build quality. Inside, ZOTAC has utilized a premium AIO liquid cooling for the Ryzen 7 processor, combined with multiple 120mm RGB fans for optimal case airflow. This combination ensures that even during marathon gaming sessions, your temperatures remain incredibly low and the system stays whisper quiet. You're never going to sound like a jet engine is taking off in your bedroom. Powering all this incredible hardware is a robust 850-watt power supply with an 80+ gold efficiency rating. This is a massive selling point. A lot of pre-builts will give you a bare minimum power supply that limits your future upgrades. By including an 850-watt gold PSU, ZOTAC is giving you incredible power efficiency, which is ENERGY STAR certified, by the way, and providing a huge amount of overhead. If you ever decide to upgrade your graphics card 5 years from now, this power supply will easily be able to handle it. When it comes to connectivity, the ZOTAC MEK is packed with everything a modern user needs. On the networking side, you're getting cutting-edge dual-band Wi-Fi 6E via a dual SMA connector, ensuring extremely fast, low-latency wireless connections. But if you're a competitive gamer who demands a hardwired connection, it also features a massive 5 gigabit LAN Ethernet port for the absolute fastest wired speeds possible. It also includes Bluetooth 5.3, making it super easy to connect your wireless gaming controllers, headsets, or speakers without any noticeable audio delay. And for your peripherals, this PC is a dream. It features a staggering total of 11 USB ports across the front and back, giving you more than enough room for your mouse, keyboard, streaming microphone, webcam, capture card, external drives, and flight sticks. Speaking of peripherals, ZOTAC actually includes a standard wired QWERTY keyboard and mouse right in the box, along with the power cable and a quick start guide. So the moment this box arrives at your doorstep, you have absolutely everything you need to plug it in and start gaming immediately. Finally, I want to touch on reliability and peace of mind. Buying a gaming PC is a big investment, and ZOTAC has stepped up to the plate with their warranty coverage. They provide a full 1-year complete system warranty, which covers the entire build, but they go a step further and provide a massive 3-year warranty specifically on the graphics card. And the best part? No registration is required for this warranty. Service is provided directly through ZOTAC USA. You simply ship the product to their USA service center, and they take care of the rest, including return shipping to any address within the United States. To wrap this up, the 2026 ZOTAC MEK gaming PC is a triumph in pre-built design. By combining the incredible single-core speed of the AMD Ryzen 7 9700X with the next-generation GDDR7 memory of the RTX 5060 Ti, ZOTAC has created a machine that completely dominates 1440p gaming, steps confidently into 4K, and handles heavy multitasking with 32 gigs of DDR5 RAM. With its AIO liquid cooling, massive 850-watt gold power supply, and lightning-fast Wi-Fi 6E, it leaves absolutely nothing to be desired. If you're tired of dropping frames, tired of turning your graphics settings down to low, and you just want a premium, perfectly optimized gaming machine that works flawlessly right out of the box, I highly recommend checking out this ZOTAC MEK desktop. Once again, I have placed the direct Amazon link in the description below so you can check the current pricing and secure one for your own setup. If you found this video helpful, please do me a huge favor and hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. Let me know in the comments below what the very first game you would play on this beast would be. Make sure you're subscribed for more tech and gaming PC reviews, and I will see you guys in the next video.